Hello kids! Let's learn about vertebrates today. Vertebrates are classified into 5 major groups: birds, reptiles, amphibian, mammals, and fish. First, we will discuss fish. Fish are aquatic vertebrates with fins for swimming and gills for breathing underwater. Characteristics of fish are that they are cold-blooded, they have gills, they have scales and fins, and they lay eggs or live birth in water. Examples of fish are tuna, salmon, guppy, shark, and ray. Next is amphibians. Amphibians typically have a moist, permeable skin and undergo metamorphosis. They usually begin life in water and then move to land as adults. Characteristics of amphibians are that they are cold-blooded, they have gills and lungs, they have thin, moist skin, and they lay jelly like eggs in water. Examples are frogs, toads, salamanders, and newts. Now reptiles. Reptiles are characterized by scales and most lay eggs with tough shells. They are generally terrestrial and have lungs for breathing air. Their characteristics are that they are cold-blooded, they have lungs, they have scales, and they lay leathery eggs on land or live birth. Examples are snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodiles, and alligators. Birds. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates with feathers, beaks, and lay hard-shelled eggs. They have lightweight skeletons adapted for flight and are the only vertebrates with feathers. Characteristics of birds include being warm-blooded. They have lungs, they have feather, and they lay hard eggs on land. Examples are eagles, sparrows, ostriches, penguins, and hummingbirds. Last is mammals. Mammals are characterized by having hair or fur and typically give birth to a live young. Though some lay eggs, they are warm-blooded and have a complex nervous system. Characteristics include being warm-blooded and having lungs. They have hairs and give live birth. Examples are humans, dogs, cats, whales, bats, and elephants. Kindly like my video and subscribe to my channel.